Well, the keyboard has died on me, so I tried putting some PP blaster in a key that wasn't working, and now all the keys around it doesn't work. I'm worried it's a foam and foil setup, and I just disintegrated the foam plates. But there's only one way to find out. We got to get into my TRS-80. Well, damn, I just voided my warranty. I have no idea how to get this damn thing apart. It's like the only screw I have out. I tried taking it out and it stopped. I don't get it. What something's... I look through the cracks. The feet don't hold anything together. This thing just doesn't want to come apart. What are you hiding from me? Are you why you wouldn't come apart? Clearly that was the Wi-Fi antenna. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Why is the CRT coming up and everything else staying down? See, this kind of separated function makes me nervous because I knew they was going to cram shit back here and I don't want to neck the CRT or yank any wires out. Yeah, that's right. I'm looking at the back of the tube because I'm trying to see the manufacture date. I actually might be able to pop that in the CRT tester. Oh, dear God. Okay, is there a button I gotta push, or does that just go? And by the way, the CRT is definitely live. It's not a self-discharging tube. And I was just messing with her. And I'm gonna leave her live. Okay, I think I've disconnected it. That's such a strange computer layout. Oy, that's gross. That's the keyboard we'll be tearing into, but I just want to get a good look at everything. So this is the actual motherboard in here, it would seem to be. Oh, I thought they connected to the switch. That actually is the switch. I was expecting a linkage going to a more stereotypical looking switch. I wonder if that resistor is actually to bleed out the high voltage. Maybe before I throw it back together, I'll pop the CRT tester on it, see what we get. For funsies. If that tube's in my book. Weird, it's like there's a copper expanded metal mesh here. I just unfished this through here, took these two screws out and popped it off from here. And almost have the keyboard disconnected. Just got to deal with the ground over here. And I guess, are you screwed on? Yeah. There it goes. Ouch. We have access to the keyboard. Alps? But these look like cherry mounts, if anything. I would actually have replacement caps if these are Alps mount. Reference for myself, I'm taking out this screw here, and this is where the big ground is connected. No wonder the keyboard feels like trash. It's a rubber dome with a bunch of plastic parts. Alright, look, so my immediate failure is actually looks like the oil sealed off the rubber dome and wasn't allowing it to be pushed down. I'm trying to pull these out, but I'm actually starting to destroy them, pulling them out, and they're not wanting to come out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the little caps back on this keyboard, I'm going to take it upstairs to the bathtub with some hot water, and I'm going to scrub the fuck out of it and soak the fuck out of it. And then I'm going to dry it on the dehumidifier for a couple days and see how she runs. Maybe then add a small amount of oil after that. Now that our scrubbed clean on the outside and then pushed all the buttons a million times under soapy water, keyboard is drying after its final rinse for probably a couple days on the dehydrator fire. Let's see if that tube's in our book. Alright, because of the age, we're going to use the newest book I have, which is really the only one I use, which is 1979 to 1980. And we're looking for 12VCP, 12VCLP4. There it is right there, 12VCLP4. It uses 11 volt filament, which I would expect for a display that small. And it uses, what socket number? 5. It can't be anything easy, can it? So the screw in the back of the CRT is near impossible to get to. You have to take these 3 stars out, and then you can slide the whole tray out, it looks like. It was hidden under the sticker. That's shitty. Well, that was never an option. The CRT has to come out. Huh. Mm-hmm. 120 volts, running a little hot on the power. Okay, so that's a short, I think. Filament set is 11 volts, so I want it to be there. She's starting to glow. Nine, 10, 11. Okay. Okay, so looks like we're holding 11. Just keep an eye on it because you know resistance. Blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, so we are not shorted. Shouldn't be shorted. I mean, we know this thing works. Gun balance. Alright. Emission. I'm disappointed with how dull the picture is and how good that emission is. And life test. Actually, this is the easiest way to life test. Knock it down. Alright, we're going strong. We're going to knock it down another level. Now we start falling off. Let's let that just really fall down. So yeah, we're way undervolting the filament right now. Look at that, look at that, look at that. What's our filament set to? So we're running 7 volts on a 11 volt setup. Oh, and she is just rocking it. Yeah, that's a good emitting tube. You'd think it'd have a razor sharp picture, but they probably did that crap. It's probably got a really crappy focus circuit in it, like that one TV I have is. But you know, she's a healthy tube. This thing's going to be putting out a picture for a long time. I don't remember how to read this one. I don't remember what auto tracking is. But that was a lot of work for a small video. So I was curious how she was sitting on tube health. Got her hooked up here. There's our tube right there, 11 filament bias C. We're on bias C, and already got my voltage set up here. So you can see there we are. Heated up, we're at 11. And then we're gonna go to gun balanced. Look at emission. Looks new. Looks new. Alright, they're only running about 7 volts. Go down to emission. And we still have really good emission. Then we bump it back up to the 11 it's supposed to run at, and it just goes to like a new condition. That is a healthy little CRT hanging out in there. Some keys still aren't responding well, and I can see corrosion.